Folks, Jimmy Weller here with Weller's Utility Trailers. We have race car trailers. This one right here, 8.5 by 24, rubber floor, loading lights, aluminum walls. These here are lights on the outside, a switch back there, the beaver tail for easy loading, 4 recessed D-rings, 12 by 12 lights, wired and framed for an air conditioner. You just cut the hole, drop the AC in, wire it up. A second exterior light, receptacles, receptacle, overhead cabinets for storage, base cabinets. Comes with the cord, a breaker panel. You got this work area here, 2 D-rings in the front, a step for the side door, 24 foot, 8.5 foot wide. This is a beautiful trailer. It is in stock and somebody should come buy it. We're here Tuesday through Saturday. Check out Wellers.com and have a fine day.